Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally doing a cooking video. I'm so excited. I'm going to be trying out the infamous feta pasta that's been viral, and every time I open my feed I have to see someone making it, and I was like, this torture is enough. I need to try it. And as an Italian food enthusiast, I know that feta is not Italian cheese, it's Greek. So I'm sorry, Italians. So yeah, I wanted to try it and I'm literally starving, so just better hurry up and we're gonna get started with this cooking video. I had literally no energy to dress up today, but I did these braids that I've been super into. So yeah, I know some might think it looks dumb, but to me I feel cute in it, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna tuck my hair back, which makes me look really dumb, but yeah. So I just like, what the hell is this? What the hell is that? Ew, can you see that? Gross. Tomato haul. Rude. The birds have some audacity. But I realized before filming this video that I didn't get cherry tomatoes, and then my mom called the vegetable vendor and he said he didn't have it. So I guess we're using normal tomatoes. So sad about it, but yeah. Anyways, let's get to cutting. I kept all the ingredients ready, but yeah, use at your own risks. I'm cutting the tomatoes. Okay. Comment in the comments, wifey material, Pico material. No, no one cares. But yeah, I am super excited for this video, and yeah, I'm literally starving. I was like, this is the perfect idea for something fun. And yeah, everyone in the comments is gonna be like, Emma Chamberlain wannabe, but that is okay as long as Emma Chamberlain and I are in the same sentence. That's all that matters, you know. More not really. Sorry for the awful lighting, but you're just going to have to adjust. My cutting skills are awful. I'm so upset that I don't have cherry tomatoes, but it is what it is, you know. I hate peeling garlic as well. I'm dreading that, so I'm just getting the other stuff. And I put the pasta water to boil, and I heavily salted it, like the pros tell me to. So I'm gonna listen to them. They know what they're talking about. I trust them with all my heart. My guilty pleasure, not really guilty pleasure, but my comfort channel is Bon Appetit and Claire's YouTube channel. Claire from Bon Appetit. She left it, I believe, now. Yeah. But yeah, it's so relaxing, and I still watch it for Chris. Chris is so talented. Couldn't be me. But yeah, I enjoy cooking videos, but I don't like cooking. Like, I like it, but I didn't, maybe in my own kitchen. You have to work on a clock because my mom doesn't allow me. Not really allow me. I don't get the time to. I want to be peaceful when I'm cooking instead of being in a hurry, you know what I'm trying to say. Cutting these tomatoes awfully. I sound like I know what I'm doing, but I literally don't. But it's kind of therapeutic to talk to the camera while cooking. I kind of have a pimple, but I'm going to use this to hide it while I look kind of mysterious. This is a very tomato forward dish, so yeah, if you don't like tomatoes, like I kind of don't really like it, and I really enjoy me a cherry tomato, but I'm just trying to be resourceful. I mean, I have to bear the consequences of being lazy and not realizing that I don't have cherry tomatoes. That is on me. So yeah, I didn't want to delay this video any longer than I already had. Also, I'm wearing this I Am Dead Inside shirt from The Office, which is like my mood during my period. I'm going to get my period soon. I have been oddly emotional, and then it struck that I'm going to get my period soon. So just going to add the pasta. slowly splashing hot water on me. I will be adding some leftover mushrooms. I love mushrooms. I think I cannot befriend anyone who doesn't like them. Like, I'm vegetarian, right? So I need some sort of satisfaction for giving me that like meaty feel without, but like meat grosses me out. So like, yeah, I'd take fungus over meat any day. I'm not cutting these too small because mushrooms literally shrink up. Like, there should be some science. Like, we are so advanced, there should be some science to stop mushrooms from shrinking so much. But for now, I'm just going to cut them a bit larger so that they don't do that. The primary theme of this video is me being resourceful, especially with not being able to have cherry tomatoes. Putting so much effort for this better taste like the best pasta ever. That's kind of disgusting. Like those waves there. I'm not going to think about it. I'm not going to think about it. Chopping ASMR video like that. I thought I was done, then I realized I have to cut garlic. I love garlic, so I'm going to add like 4-5 cloves. Speaking of garlic, I did like the stupidest thing ever. So I know only how to cook pesto. So I cooked pesto recently and I was kind of lazy, so I was dependent on my blender to do all the, cutting for me. So I just was lethargic and I didn't cut the garlic, and I just got whole cloves of garlic in my mouth while eating, which wasn't pleasant. I wouldn't recommend it to anyone. Yeah, it is what it is. But besides that, the pesto came out really decent. I've made better, but I tried like a cheesier version. Struggling to peel the garlic. I'm going to finish cutting the garlic and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I am using this ramekin thingy and putting all my finely cut vegetables. Oh, you have to see this skill I have. Cutting board skills. I'm just going to kind of dump it. Okay, this is going to take forever. So I just overboiled it kind of. It was going to rise. So this is a little wave thingy I was talking about, and you can see it. It looks so creepy. Ew. Okay, so now I'm going to add the olive oil. That's a lot. And then I'm going to add in some black pepper. I'm going to add some basil, bit of dried basil, lots of oregano, then a lot of chili flakes. I'm going to film it. So this is how it looks right now. Doesn't that look appetizing? Yeah. So I'm going to add the feta between spices. Never cooked or like feta, so interested to see how this is going to taste. So I salted it and this is how it looks. The block broke, otherwise it would have been more aesthetically pleasing, but the pasta is in a boil. And now I'm going to put it for baking so that it becomes creamy. It's kind of messy, but it's okay. So you can see my shirt, but it's baking. Hi, take care, be safe, feed my chipped nail polish. I'm so excited, this better taste good. So this is how it looks. I'm a mess, but my camera battery died, so we're gonna have to see it. It's a bit sour, but it's good. But I'm hungry, so I don't know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for the bad ending, but yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.